to the thing there, so I really don't need it all the way back. Let's go back down. Let's give it some slack. There you go. That's all I need. I really need it all the way. Really all the way back. I can think of there's any reason it needs to go all the way. I can think of it. There we go. Alright. I guess I'm just going to leave it like that for the night. I'm going to deal with the cables. Let's see. I gotta see exactly how much spring is going to be needed. Lower it. Alright. So that's where we're at. Man, I hope I didn't break that. I think I did. I don't remember that. I don't remember that being broke. Oh man. Why it's a good idea to have. Cool. Okay, over pulley this side. But then pull it. Got fine fine cable. Okay. Takes care of of that. Come on. Do this real quick. And I'm going to be done. Very much. Just like that. When I'm done doing that. Good. Insulation trim. Stand back up. I thought I had to buy the trim by itself and then lock it to the wall, but it's already set up in a piece of imitation wood. I think the name of it. Plastic wood. Oh, you dig it. Okay, so there we are. Okay, here I am. Again. Now, what I did, I got my cable up there. My problem was my cable being so short. And then what I was going to do is try and add the cable that came with this spring kit. But the problem is, once you started to lower it, it won't go across. It won't go around the pulley. So then I got thinking about it, like, well, what if I just add? I got my bigger spring here, and then why don't I add the smaller spring? Because these springs are good to 125 pounds, and I'm not sure what those are, but they're freaking twice the size, of course. So you're gonna have the combination of this spring and then the bigger spring. So what I did is I added this spring onto here, which is what I'm going to do again in a minute. And then I took because the end of the cable is just got a notch in it, which is supposed to go in here and lock in. So what I did is I folded it over, and I used a clamp and clamped it closed. Then what I did is I put this through the new loop, and then I hooked it up right at the top, as you can see if I can do it. Zoom in. There you go. See how I got the loop through the frame hole. So that's how that's holding. Now I'm not exactly sure yet, because what I got it held up. I got the cable holding it up. Because what I did is I brought it back. I brought the door back farther, so I was able to get that cable, pull that cable up to that frame. So I'll go step by step here with this one, and I'll show you exactly what I did, and we'll see. We'll see if that's going to be what I need to do, or I'm going to have to adjust it somehow, or whatever. We'll see. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I'm going to go ahead and swap these out. You've got your pulley. Get your pulley assembly. Your pulley assembly that's going to go over whatever you want to put it over. So in this case here, it's going over my new smaller spring. on the end. And then I'm using the same, I've got another U because of the fact that I'm not using I don't need this one when you're attaching it to the assembly up there. So this one's going to go through here. These are 9/16s. Or make sure they're like semi-tight. Okay, so now putting this one through here. You can see I got a really heavy spring. And I got the lighter spring. Now I gotta get hold of that cable. And then what I gotta do is I gotta put a U, put that cable. You gotta make a loop. You gotta make a loop in that cable. And then put the cable. Oh, cow. Something of security. I want you stealing that, didn't I? I left that one. No. Alright. So now I need to instead using a U clamp.